Health and Radiation with Robert Thirsk.
Aboard the space station, astronauts are subjected to higher levels of ionizing radiation than we are on the ground. And therefore, we need to take special precautions. First thing we do is we all wear personal dosimeters, which are radiation monitors on our body throughout the day, 24 hours a day, to monitor how much radiation we are receiving. We also place similar radiation dosimeters throughout the space station structure as well to see which parts of the station are more susceptible to higher fluxes of radiation and which ones are susceptible to lower doses. Secondly, we try to shield ourselves as much as possible from the incoming radiation. For example, I slept in 2 different areas during my 6 months aboard the space station. The first area where I slept, I surrounded my sleeping bag with bags of water. We know that water is a relatively good shield against incoming radiation, so I was sort of sleeping inside a cocoon of water bags. Later, I moved into a sleep station, which is a compartment that's roughly the size of a telephone booth, and all of the walls of that sleep compartment were lined with panels of polyethylene. Polyethylene contains a lot of hydrogen atoms in the structure of the polyethylene molecule, and that's also found to be very protectant against radiation. Finally, in the event that there was a major solar flare, and there was not a flare during my 6 months aboard the space station, the crew would all head to the rear end or the aft end of the space station, to the Russian end, where there's a lot of equipment. It gives us a little bit more shielding against radiation in that back area. But it's still not perfect, but it is what we would call a storm shelter in the event of a radiation storm.